In this video, I'm going to show you how to ship from warehouse on ACBuy. Now, the first thing you'll need is an ACBuy account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can sign up using my link and then get started. So to actually ship from warehouse, you first gonna go ahead and find for some products. So I'm gonna go ahead and, for example, look for a watch. I'm gonna click search over here, and then you just must select something you'd like to get. And then over here, let's say this is the one I want to get. You'll be able to see a bunch of different things, and then over here it's going to say who is the seller, and then over here it's going to say if it's shipping from the ACBuy designated warehouse. If it is over here, and if it says ACBuy designated warehouse, this actually means it's going to ship from the warehouse of ACBuy. If it doesn't say this but it says something different, then unfortunately you can't really shop it or ship it from the warehouse from ACBuy, but of course a lot of items will have this over here, so it's going to say that it is from their designated warehouse, and this does mean that you are automatically shipping from their warehouse. Now that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.